Process and utilities, from our definition, is raw materials coming in all the way up to a packaging line. We are supplying all the engineering for the design of the equipment and also the utilities to support that equipment. Currently, we serve food, beverage, and paper and general industries. Think of a picnic of hot dogs, hamburgers, brats, sandwiches, cheese, crackers, paper plates, paper towels, napkins, sanitizer. We cover all of that. We're more client-centered. We support them throughout all levels of their business. So it could be a greenfield project, it could be a brownfield project, so integration within the existing plant. It could be as simple as a water study for an area that they're having an issue with from a utility standpoint. We'll also pick it up anywhere during the process to help make sure that they're successful. The benefit for the customer is they can have confidence that we have the right design in place so that they know when the equipment's ordered and installed and we go to start it up, it's going to work.